for this video, we are comparing two tools that serve different but complementary purposes, which is Invideo and VidIQ. So if you're looking to create stunning videos, Invideo has everything you need, while VidIQ is more about optimizing content and YouTube. So let's look at how these platforms can work together to elevate your video content. First up is Invideo. So Invideo makes it easy to transform ideas into professional videos quickly. So its interface is user-friendly, ideal if you're looking to create polished content without extensive editing skills. So the first feature that we are going to discuss is its text-to-video feature. So Invideo's text-to-video feature is perfect for repurposing articles, blog posts, or even social media. So this lets you quickly generate videos that fit your brand style or brand voice. So next is its rich media library. So when you start to edit your video, then you'll have this media library that you can access and add to in your video, and you can also have access to over 1 million images and also audio clips. So this ensures your content has professional look you need without needing separate stock subscriptions. Next is its flexible customization. So when you're creating video here in Invideo, it provides you customizable fonts, colors, animations, and even overlays, letting you craft unique visuals for your video. Next is its HD export with social media formats. So Invideo supports HD exports with multiple aspects ratios, making it easy to create content ready for YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms as well. Now for the summarization of the process of Invideo. So first, it has quick and easy video creation with its text-to-video feature, and it has stock media library, which is quite extensive for professional quality assets, and the customization options for brand consistency is highly helpful. And lastly is its HD export with aspect ratio adjustment for social media. Now for the cons of it, it has limited tools for SEO and analytics, and some advanced features require a premium plan. So these are the plans that you can get here in Invideo. Now let's take a look at VidIQ. So VidIQ is a YouTube optimization tool that helps you get the most out of your video content. And the first feature that we are going to see here, it's its keywords research and SEO. So you have here VidIQ's primary strength. So it is to help you optimize your content again for YouTube by providing you keyword research tools, SEO scoring, and recommendations for tags, titles, and even descriptions. So you also have this competitor analysis. So VidIQ allows you to track your competitors' channels, see their keyword strategies, and get insights into trending topics, making it easier to stay ahead of your niche. Or they also provide real-time analysis, so it offers in-depth analytics, including views per hour, subscribers, insights, and engagement stats, helping you understand your audience and fine-tune your strategy. Now here, when you try to generate a video in VidIQ, in the process of creating your video, the tool will have thumbnail and even title suggestions. So with VidIQ, you get thumbnail and title suggestions based on what's performing well in your niche. So for example, I have here the thumbnail suggestion for my topic. So this ensures that your content catches your viewers' attention. Next is its video scorecard and channel audits. So VidIQ scorecard feature gives you a breakdown of each video's performance metrics, while channel audits provide actionable insights to grow your channel. Now for the pros of VidIQ, it has powerful keyword research and SEO tools. It has competitor tracking and trending topic insights, its real-time analytics and performance metrics, and also for these, or it has suggestion for titles, thumbnails to boost your engagement. Now for the cons of VidIQ, it doesn't offer video editing or creation tools, and most features are YouTube specific, limiting multi-platform analytics, and it has, or you need premium plans for in-depth insight and advanced features. So, how can these tools work for you? So, Invideo is your go-to for creating engaging, high-quality videos. It's perfect for building your library or video library, repurposing content, and crafting brand-focused videos, ready for any video platform or social media platform. And VidIQ helps you maximize the reach of your content, particularly on YouTube. It provides valuable insights, SEO tools, and analytics to improve your video's visibility and performance. Both InVideo and VidIQ bring unique value. So InVideo helps you to create great content, while VidIQ ensures that content gets seen. So start your journey with InVideo by signing up for a free account with the link below and begin making videos that shine. So thank you so much for watching. That is all. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.